Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Bun cake is a traditional Hakka rice delicacy. Hakka people mash sticky rice to form the basis for all types of bun. Varieties include sweet bun, red bean bun, turnip bun, taro bun, rice balls, and other rice treats. Cherishing Miaoli's Hakka traditions, the county government holds the Hakka Bun Festival each December in Miaoli City. You can see the bun being made and enjoy delicious samples.
Hey, what's up, everyone? It's time to talk about Hakka here on Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello, 大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And why don't we eat about Hakka today? 刚好现在12月嘛，会不会有什么节庆或者什么样的活动跟吃有关系，又在12月发生的？那更贴切了。好，
那就跟我来去苗栗吧。
啊，要去苗栗了，你很熟悉的苗栗。
我要介绍就是苗栗客家板的节，
就是客家的那种板，对不对？
对，好有很多板啊。
今天来多多介绍这个板的这个美食了。OK, Leo is going to take us to Miaoli County. He's very familiar with that county, and today I want him to tell us more about the food, and especially if there's any festivals taking place associated with food, and also taking place this month, December. And there is one in Miaoli, 就是苗栗的这个客家板仔节，就这意思，对不对？Okay, so it is the traditional Hakka rice delicacy known as ban and the ban festival. And there's so many different types of ban. 比较有名的，
其实很多啦，
我相信数十个都有。
对，我比较记得就是甜板。
甜板。就甜板嘛，
对，
这是我最喜欢的。
其实就是年糕啦。
年糕，对。Okay, that's the sweet ban, and then
鳳條板。
鳳條板，紅豆板啊。
對。
Okay, that's the red bean ban.
還有菜頭板。
菜頭，這個叫菜頭板。
菜頭板。
Okay, that's the turnip ban. And how about one more? 再介紹一個。
好，烏板。
黑的板吗？
不是，是芋頭。
哦，芋頭。The taro ban. Okay, so there are all sorts of varieties of bans for you to choose from. And right at the beginning of the segment, Leo is mentioning that this is taking place in Miaoli right now. 到底在苗栗什么地方我们可以品尝到这些板？
它是在这个苗栗市的三角公园，还有那个苗栗市的新苗街那边有举办客家的板的节。
So go online and search for this festival that's taking place in Miaoli this month. They have various locations in Miaoli for you to taste out all the different types of bans that we just introduced to you, and I'm sure there are many more to choose from too. And there you go, it's all about talk about Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺只說張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.